Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're going to make an elegant eggplant dish. I'm going to teach you how to make Hasselback eggplant that's going to be baked in the oven and stuffed with halloumi and spinach pesto. There's going to be a tomato sauce in it. So good, so simple to make. Let's go over the very few ingredients that are here that we're going to need to make this, and then we're going to start making it. We're going to need some olive oil, salt, pepper, some spinach pesto, some pasta sauce, a nice big chunk of halloumi cheese, and of course, an eggplant. I'm going to link the recipe for the spinach pesto up in the card section. It was literally one video before this, but it's super easy to make, so make sure you go ahead and get that. If you don't have spinach, you can definitely use a basil pesto, but this really takes it over the top and just goes together perfectly with all the other ingredients. Now, the way you Hasselback vegetables, you can do this with any vegetable. The most popular way to make Hasselback vegetables is using the potato. I'm sure that you all have seen Hasselback potato recipes, and I'm going to be bringing some to you too really soon. Let's slice the eggplant. So it's good to take 2 wooden spoons or 2 wooden skewers and just put them on the side so that way you can keep the knife from cutting all the way through. We're just going to slice almost all the way down, about 1/4 to 1/2 inch thick slices. You don't want this to melt while it's baking in the oven. And there you go. That's how you Hasselback an eggplant. Now we're going to put a little bit of salt in between all of the eggplant slices. Now I have a little baking tray here. I'm just going to put the tomato sauce in here. Put the eggplant on top of that. And now I'm just going to slice some thin slices of halloumi cheese to stuff in between each layer of the eggplant. Now I'm going to take the cheese and put it in each layer. I'm just going to lift the eggplant out of the pan because this pan is a little bit too small right now for the eggplant, but the eggplant will definitely shrink while baking and it'll fit in here perfectly. But for now we need to stretch it all out so that we can fit all of this delicious cheese and pesto in here. I'll save this piece for later. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some pesto in between each layer too. You need about 1/2 teaspoon in each layer. So I ended up having to cut off this tip because it didn't fit in my baking pan, but now I'm going to go ahead and drizzle it with just a little bit of olive oil. Season the top with some salt and black pepper. And I'm going to take this last piece of halloumi cheese that didn't fit, and I'm just going to stick it into the sauce. Cover with some parchment paper and then with aluminum foil. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake this covered with the foil for 1 hour. Then I'm going to remove the foil and the parchment paper. I'm going to put the tray back in the oven, and I'm going to bake it uncovered. And I'm also going to raise the temperature to 475 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to let it cook for another like 15 or 20 minutes or until the top begins to become nice and golden brown. You'll know that the eggplant is ready when it starts to shrivel up and it gets really nice and soft inside. Test it with a fork or with a toothpick or something. And if it needs a little bit more cooking, keep it in there until the eggplant is fully cooked. I'm going to show you what it looks like as soon as it comes out. Once the eggplant comes out of the oven, set it aside at room temperature for between 15 to 30 minutes so that way the sauce can settle and it can cool down a little bit because it's going to be piping hot and it'll be hard to slice. If you try to slice it, as soon as it comes out of the oven, the whole thing is going to fall apart. But once it settles, the sauce is going to thicken a little bit. It's just going to be perfect. When you're ready to serve this, you will see that you're going to have the most tender eggplant that's going to be flavorful enough to serve it as a main course if you'd like, with some bread and a nice side salad. Or you could serve this as a side at your next dinner party. All I know is that it smells delicious and I have to dig in. The eggplant just melts. The spinach pesto is highly recommended in this recipe. You're going to really notice the spinach taste is nice and mild and complements everything so well. I love the halloumi cheese because it doesn't completely melt, but it bakes long enough where it becomes really soft, but it still has a texture to it. It's still there. It's not just melted as if you would put mozzarella cheese in it, it would melt and it might even ooze out. I mean, it is a substitute if you'd like, Maybe you could use feta cheese if you wanted to as well, but you should give this a try. Go over to the website, www.dimitrasdishes.com, if you'd like to print this recipe. There are step-by-step ingredients, and the whole recipe is in the description box down below. Let me know what you think, and I will see you all next time. Yasas.